everyone, I am Apurva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys Vipreet Karni. It's one of the very beneficial asanas in yoga, and I'll just explain you guys the benefits for this posture. So basically Vipreet Karni, what happens is when we do this asana, the blood circulation in our body is reversed, pumping the blood to the heart, and then what happens is the fresh oxygenated blood is directly going from the heart to the various organs, and this is one of the major reasons why, if you do this asana regularly, you will have a very glowing and healthy skin. So this was the first benefit. The second one is it really helps people who have varicose veins because of standing for long hours, and they have swollen legs and pain in their knees and all of that. It helps it relieving that as well, and it helps in ailments like osteoporosis, arthritis, and like they constantly have pain in their legs. They feel like even if they have not if they have not had a hectic day, they still feel that their legs are hurting. So this asana really helps in relieving of all that pain, and it has like a lot of benefits. I can literally keep going on. It helps getting rid of menstrual cramps and also with postpartum depression, and it's one of the it's one of the best asanas that can be done throughout the pregnancy as well. Like throughout the 9 months this can be done. There's a variation for pregnant women. We basically stack like a pillow or like few towels. I'll just tell you guys how it is done for pregnant women as well. So there's a variation, and then the pregnant ladies can do it throughout the 9 months. And it's most importantly, the most important benefit is like it's a very big stress buster. It helps in calming the mind, relaxing the body, and it helps for this reason it helps in coping up with anxiety disorders as well. So whenever you've had a hectic day at work and you come back home, you're really tired, you're really feeling fatigued, just do this asana for like 5 minutes, guys, and you will see the changes in your mind and your body. Yeah. So now let me quickly show you how this is done. So for this what you have to keep in mind is that this has to be done close to the wall. We'll be using the wall as support. So which is why I just kept my mat here close to the wall. So just observe the starting position. Yeah, there are a few more benefits that I'll elaborate after we are done with the asana. So this is Vipreet Karni, that is legs on the wall. So just go on to your side like this. Make sure that your hips are really close to the wall. And why are we doing that? To ensure that our hips are really close to the wall once we take the legs up on the wall, okay? So you go up like this, and from here just slowly take the legs up, one leg at a time, and you can use your hands as support. So like right now my hips are not completely close to the wall, so I'll use my hand as support and come more closer to the wall. So this is kind of close. Now from here just lie down on your back and you can stay here. So just stay here. The foot is flexed and just relax. Breathe normal. So in this, palms will be facing the ceiling. The entire body is relaxed. We'll breathe, we'll do abdominal breathing here. As in, when we inhale from the nostril, the abdomen will slightly go up. And when we exhale from the nostril, the abdomen will come down. You can keep your eyes closed in this position and stay here for 5 minutes. Guys, you can actually get all the benefits of, so many benefits of this posture just by doing it like 5 minutes every day. And it will keep you all fit and healthy. At the same time, this is not at all strenuous. It's very calming for the body. So stay here for some time. Now I'll just tell you guys about the variation that I was talking about for pregnant ladies. So what you can do is you can stack, like bend your knees slightly and stack like a pillow or towel here, and then you can do the same thing. Also for people having any kind of pain in their lower back can also do the same thing. Use towels or pillows, that will do the work. Okay, now I'll teach you guys how to dismount from this posture. So bend your knees. Dismount very carefully. Just turn on towards the side. Slowly come up, and now we'll sit in Vajrasana. Yeah, so this was Vipreet Karni. There are few more benefits for this posture. So this posture really stimulates our thyroid glands as well. So that is another benefit. And like I told you, that it is good for the legs and everything. So guys, all that you have to do is just do this 5 minutes in a day, and you'll be able to see a lot of changes in your body and your mind. So guys, give it a try and do let me know how it goes. So stay tuned in and stay fit, stay healthy. Okay then, bye.